Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Has it ever happened to you that you managed to survive the whole day? But as soon as you put your head down on the pillow, that persistent, annoying cough starts that prevents you from falling asleep? Tonight we put an end to that. Today I'm going to share with you a recipe for a powerful natural mixture. It's enough to add just 1 teaspoon to your evening tea and your cough will subside, and you'll finally get a good night's sleep. Ingredients needed. For this folk remedy, we only need 4 ingredients that you probably already have in your kitchen. Homemade honey, about 200 grams. Ginger powder, or freshly grated. Turmeric. A pinch of black pepper. Now we will find out why and how these ingredients work. Before we make the mixture, it's important to know why this works. Honey. He is the base of everything. It coats the mucous membrane of the throat and acts as a natural antiseptic. Studies have shown that honey is sometimes more effective than store-bought syrups for children. Ginger. It is a master of inflammation. It helps relax the membranes in the airways, which directly reduces the urge to cough. Turmeric. Contains curcumin, which is a strong antioxidant. It helps the body fight the infection that causes cough. Black pepper. It may sound strange, but a pinch of pepper is necessary because it unlocks the turmeric. Without pepper, our body has a hard time absorbing the healing properties of turmeric. Preparation and application. The preparation is quick. Add 1 full teaspoon of ginger and 1 teaspoon of turmeric to a jar of honey. Add a pinch of black pepper. Mix everything well with a wooden or plastic spoon. Avoid a metal one because of the honey. How to use it. Make a cup of hot tea, preferably chamomile or thyme. Wait for the tea to become warm, not hot, so as not to destroy the medicinal properties of the honey. Add 1 teaspoon of this mixture, mix and drink half an hour before going to bed. You'll see your throat soothe after the first few sips. I hope this recipe will help you finally rest and beat your cough naturally. If you liked this video, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel for more tips like this, and write to me in the comments about your experiences with natural remedies. Be sure to leave a comment from which city, which country you watched this educational video, and share the video with your friends. Take care of your health and see you in the next video. Greetings, nice.